Hi, my name is Christina Govinda at DomesticFelicity.com, and today we're going to talk about how to keep bowls and plates on your baby's tray. Your babies are going to get to an age where they like to test the limits, and sometimes that includes throwing their whole plate of food or bowl of food onto the floor and making a big mess. This has led to a lot of people coming up with different products to help you in training your baby to keep their food on their tray. There are some great things out there like double-sided suction cups, and you can make your own. You can buy double-sided suction cups, and I'm going to demonstrate with this suction cup how you can attach it while damp and clean to your baby's plate, and then attach the other side of the double-sided suction cup to the baby's tray. And this is a great way to help it stay on the tray. You can buy bowls and plates with this already on, but why do that when you can just make your own? The most important thing is to be sure to be training your child, no matter what their age, to not be throwing their food on the floor. It can be tempting to get used to gadgets and rely on them for helping you to train your child, and they can be really useful, but you don't want to have a 3-year-old who's still throwing food on the floor. So make sure that you're training them and having expectations for how they behave at the table. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Christina Govinda, and that's how you make bowls and plates stay on your baby's tray.